In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get to Inbox Zero using Notion Mail. The concept of Inbox Zero is all about managing your emails in a way that keeps your inbox clean and organized, reducing stress and improving productivity. Notion Mail is a handy tool that helps in achieving this goal with its powerful features. Whether you're new to Notion or already a seasoned user, these steps will guide you through the process. First, open your browser and head over to your Notion Mail inbox. Once you're there, you'll see your list of emails waiting to be tackled. At the top of your inbox, look for the option that says Add View. Clicking here will allow you to create different views that help you organize your emails better. After you click Add View, a prompt will appear asking you to describe your view. This is where you'll specify exactly what you want this new view to show. Click on it and give it some thought. A good view can help you categorize your emails based on importance, urgency, or specific projects, clearing up unnecessary clutter. Now type in the label name you want to use for this view. This could be a category like work, personal, or pending responses. Whatever suits your inbox's needs best. This label is crucial for sorting your emails into the right buckets. Next, you'll need to describe the emails that you want to add to this label or view. Think of it as creating a filter. Specify characteristics these emails share, such as sender address, subject keywords, or other criteria. This precise selection helps in automatically directing incoming emails to their designated views, sparing you the manual effort. Once you've described your criteria, hit Send. Give it a moment to process and set up your new view. There's a brief waiting time as it loads, but rest assured, Notion Mail is processing your request in the background. After it's ready, click on Continue. This step confirms all the settings you've just applied and transitions you seamlessly to the next stage. Now look for and select Filter from Inbox. By doing this, you make sure your main inbox remains clear, since emails will now be organized into categories or labels based on the views you created. Finally, don't forget to hit Save. This action records all the configurations and ensures they apply moving forward. Now wait for everything to load and set up. After a short delay, you'll notice a significant change, a cleaner, more organized inbox that truly reflects the principles of Inbox Zero. And there you have it, a streamlined and efficient email experience thanks to the power of Notion Mail. Keep practicing these steps, and soon managing your emails will become second nature. Enjoy a clutter-free inbox, and thanks for watching.